So excited to share this with you. So for brand new people, this is my 44th video on smart money to blockchain freedom. I love coming down to coinmarketcap.com. For new people, you can go to coinmarketcap.com and you can look at the top tokens, the top cryptocurrency coins, give yourself an idea at the market. Very, very easy to understand. You don't have to be a rocket scientist. So it lists the top coin and it goes all the way down to, like, I think it lists the top 10,000. So you can have a look at the top 10, right? And just go play around if you're brand new. Just click on Bitcoin, for instance. At the moment, it's 106,000 for one Bitcoin. You can actually go click on all-time high here. I mean, not all-time high, but the chart, which starts right from the beginning, like 15 years ago. You can go 15 years ago, right? Where it was like what was $9? No, it's $106,000. So it's quite cool to have a look here. You can go like 2020. What's that? That's if I do my maths correctly, it's 2025. So it's what's that? That's 5 years ago. You can see the price there was $8,000. So there's something I teach called dollar cost averaging. So imagine you buy a little bit of Bitcoin every single month for the last 5 years, called dollar cost averaging. And you could do that in many different places. There's a in the UK, you can do that with Revolut, you can do it with Kraken. And if you're in a country, you can just go to ChatGPT and say, where can I buy cryptocurrency in my local country, I mean. And then it will actually list the different exchanges where you can buy crypto. It's super, super easy. It'll take you 5 minutes, just like getting a bank account. Okay. And then all you can do is just do dollar cost averaging and buy on automatic every single month for 5 years. Imagine if you did that on Bitcoin. You could do it now. Why don't you pick one of the top 10? I mean, you could try Ethereum. You could look at Ethereum, dollar cost average into Ethereum, buy a little bit. You could do £50 a month in Ethereum, £50 a month in Bitcoin, and just dollar cost average. And yes, I do want to promote a token that I'm promoting, that I'm following, that you can also dollar cost average into, right? And the coin is called APTM. APTM. You can search for it. At the moment, we're ranked 526 out of the top 10,000 coins that's listed on CoinMarketCap, which is very, very cool. And we already got a profile score of 87, which is pretty cool. And yeah, take a look at this project. You can scroll down. You can come and have a look here, and you can see APTM launched by the APTM Foundation on January the 30th, 2025. The network has demonstrated explosive community growth. Its native token APTM officially launched on February the 19th, 2025 on the APTM DEX, skyrocketing from $0.025 to almost $4.50. So, have a look. This is a hot project, and you can keep reading here. We're also super fast. We can do over 4,500 transactions per second. And also, we got the good things of Bitcoin. We've got a halving model every 4 years, and we also got the good things on Ethereum, where people can develop on the blockchain, and it's super fast and it's super cheap. So a lot of people are going to come in and develop their projects on the APTM blockchain. Remember that name. So my suggestion is to look at the description in the video. Register yourself a DAO1 account. DAO1 sits on the APTM blockchain. It's like a DApp, a decentralized application. And you can click on store when you registered your account. It's free to register. Just register an account. And why don't you grab one of our products? Let's have a look at this Radiant. So how cool would it be if you can buy a crypto trading bot that buys the APTM token, okay? And what it does is it buys low and sells high, right? And accumulates more of these coins. Where's this price going to be in 5 years, 1 year? Okay, $5, $10, $20. So put this project in your high risk portfolio and get yourself a DAO1 account and grab yourself one of these packages. Unbelievable. So you get 2 in 1. So for 500 US dollars, you can get a smart trading bot. Yes, you do have to load it with capital to trade on the markets. And then you've got a mining bot that mines the tokens. So you've got two in one, a trading bot and a mining bot, accumulating these APTM tokens for you on automatic. So let's have a think. Where's blockchain going? So at the moment, it's the 17th of October, 2025. The market's booming. Wall Street's going to get onto blockchain. Eventually, everything, banks, currencies. What about property, tokenization? I mean, this industry is just starting now to get some momentum. So I'm excited to share. So go and have a look at these various projects. Reach out to me. I can help you. And also what I want to show you is you've got two things working here for you on automatic. A trading bot, crypto trading bot on automatic, mining on automatic, accumulating these APTM tokens for you on automatic, which you want because you want to hodl these coins for at least 2-3 years because 79 cents at the moment, right? Where's it going to be in 1 year's time? So just remember these promotions do end though at the end of the month. So just be mindful of that on the 30th of October, I believe. So let me show you another cool thing. You can go in apps here. You can go into DEX. DEX is decentralized exchange where you can put capital to work. Decentralized means you own your capital in there. There's no third-party people. You can take your capital out 24/7, any day of the week. You can put capital in, take it out, so you own 100% control of your money. So let's go and have a look. It is a pair. It's the APTM coin and USDT. You put in a pair. And today it's sitting at about 17% interest per annum, okay, which is still pretty cool. I've seen it as high as 100 and as low as 10. So how cool would it be if you do this, a combination? You do the smart trading bot, you do that, and you do the mining, you do that, and you put some into the liquidity pool. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop my video because it doesn't like my video. How can I stop my video? Is it a way I can stop it from here? Let me see here. Stop webcam recording. Yeah, so I'm just going to stop that because it doesn't like it when I add to the liquidity pool. So I just want to show you how easy it is. So all I'm going to do is add liquidity there. Okay, I'm going to add some APTM. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to do 8. And then I'm going to add, because it is a pair, I'm going to add some USDT. So imagine you do this every day. Add. Some people, we call it a cappuccino a day. And you keep adding to the liquidity pool, right? And you benefit from the interest rates. So I'm going to click supply. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a screenshot of this because we have got a cool little competition going on where we show every time we add to the liquidity pool. So will it allow me to do this? No, I think I'm doing the wrong thing. Yeah, let me try that again. Let's do a screenshot. Yeah, new. So we've got a little Telegram group where we share when we add to the liquidity pool. So I'm just going to copy that. Awesome. So now I can supply. I'm going to confirm supply. This is how easy it is to add to the liquidity pool. And then you can tap into that interest rate at the moment, 17% per annum, and you just keep going. And then also another powerful thing is what happens when the coin goes to $5? You keep on adding to the liquidity pool as well, right? It's like compounding on steroids. Okay, so let me just do that quickly and confirm. And that's how easy it is to add to the liquidity pool. So at the moment, I'm adding those tokens to the liquidity pool. Remember, the token is only sitting at 79 cents. So it's like a double whammy because I'm getting that interest rate, okay, at the moment, and it does fluctuate, but I'm also got the opportunity of the price to increase. So imagine how powerful this would be if I added to the liquidity pool every day for like 3 to 5 years. That'll be phenomenal. And also the trading bot is working for me and the mining bot is working for me, accumulating as many of these coins as possible. So I wanted to share that with you. And I'm going to end with a diagram because this is a wealth principle. Get your money to work for you, right? So you got the trade bot working for you. You got the mining bot working for you. Yes, you're going to do a little bit of work manually to put some capital in the liquidity pool, but it's fun. So imagine you do all three together and you just move the money around. It's called the Wealth Tripod. So I'm going to say thank you for watching my episode 44, and have a wonderful evening, and you'll see me back tomorrow for episode 45. Bye-bye.